Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, I'll be trying out KADS 031 and KADS stamping polish in the shade of Salmon. Now let's peel off the blue protective film. And now let's do some reverse stamping. For this one, I'm using KADS Salmon stamping polish. And after all of that, it's time to apply top coat. If you want to try out these products from KADS Nail Art, the links are available on the description box below. And don't forget to use my 10% discount coupon code KADS honeycrunch321. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on my social media pages. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!